2 games, average of 23 points, 90% from the field, on an offensive foul, and an extra motion. Tubig is a master of the psych ward. Jimmy Alapag comes in with 2 fouls, was supposed to be there to help set them up, and he picks up another foul, an offensive foul, I think. He might get a technical too.
Here's what happened. Nagbabangga na actually si Tubig at si Alapag. When Alapag pushes Tubig, and Tubig, as you know, has the skill of magnifying
anything.
Magnifying the obvious.
Yeah. And then he comes and runs interference with him.
And then, and knowing Tubig, hindi niya tatantanan itong si Alapag, lalo pa niya yung lalapitan.
Yeah, that's his third offensive foul. He might get a technical for that extra motion. Yeah, that's true. That's a good call. He had an extra motion against him because, Tubig tried to come in. He probably said, "Get out of my face. Why is he still here?"
And I was actually wondering before the game, kasi wala na si Mac Cardona eh. So wala na yung favorite ng Barangay Big Dome.
Wala na rin yung favorite ni Tubig na Easy.
And I was wondering, sino ang magiging rito?
Hanapin naman niya yung
flavor of the month. It might turn out to be Jimmy Alapag of all people.
Kasi, alam mo, malaking bagay yan. Token Texas had the chance to improve the league easily in double digits. They're living stuck at and look at the way he's greeted. Merry Christmas, Jimmy, sabi lang in every fan. Merry Christmas!
You are on top of their list. Hindi ko lang alam kung Christmas list o kung ano list yun.